Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Tallahassee and I'm a 16-year-old drag queen. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. And sorry, looking in the monitor. This is kind of, sort of, Nail Me Smalls inspired, especially the eyebrows. I love doing eyebrows like this, but I used to get dragged for it because I used to do them thick. They were thick. Okay, girl. So, yeah. Yeah, let's just get into the video because I'm gonna start rambling and let's go. I'm going to be using the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer and I'm gonna be moisturizing my face. The first thing that I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. I don't know what shade this is. I'm sorry. They should really be putting their shade names on the actual product. And when doing my brows, I'm gonna try and keep a more straight sort of brow, but also still keep it high up. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the e.l.f. Cosmetics Necessary Nudes palette, and I'm going to be using, oh, that's the wrong shade. I'm going to be using this brown right here. I'm going to be wetting my brush to get it to a point. Oh, bitch, that is a brow. Okay. And then to clean my brow up, I'm going to be dipping into the e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette and using the lightest shade. Dipping into the shade Enchanted, and I'm packing that on the outer corner of my eye as well as into my crease. Using Jada as a transition shade, I am blending those two colors together. Then going into the shade Abyss, I'm focusing that mainly on the bottom portion of my eye, and I am just packing that on lightly.
I'm interested in portraying a sort of anti-sensibility that pervades the society and a kind of...
Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade White, I'm cutting my crease with a flat brush. Using the shade Luna from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, I am setting that concealer. Then, using the Milani Hypnotic Light Eye Topper in the shade Starlight, I am further highlighting my cut crease and my inner corner. Next, I'm using Enchanted on my lower lash line and connecting it to the outer corner of my eye. Then going in with Jada to further blend in that shade. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in the shade Mystic Black. These lashes are by e.l.f. Cosmetics. They are in their, they're one of their lashes from their Luxe Lash Kits. And yeah, I'll link them down below. I can't remember the name. I threw away the box. Whoops. And this, guys, is the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends if you would like. Comment down below what you would like to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.